So this is Anand. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering past 9 years. So this is a lecture video series. This is the 8th video of our lecture video. In previous video, so we discussed about the AC fundamentals. So it consists of resistance based AC circuit, reactive based AC circuit. So in this resistance based AC circuit does not have any phase angle difference between voltage and current, but coming to the reactive based circuits, it has some phase angle between voltage and current, so it is very difficult to measure the phase voltage and current value directly. And then now we are in the topic of power. What is meant by real power? Real power is nothing but this capacity of circuit performing the work in a particular time. So it is the product of V, I and cosine angle of voltage and current. So what is apparent power? Apparent power is nothing but the product of current and voltage of the circuit. Reactive power is nothing but the product of V and I in sine angle of voltage and current. These are the basic components of powers, that is real, apparent and reactive powers. So we can we take the example as a lace potato chips packet. In this packet, packet consists of some weight of potatoes as well as some air. That air is directly represented as a reactive power, that is kVAR. Real potato is directly represented as kW, that is real or true power. The total power including air as well as potato combined together form the total lace packet, that is kVA, apparent power. So this is a basic example of apparent power, reactive power and then real power. So it has some equations to define the power values, that is real power is nothing but P equal to VI cos pi. It is mentioned in watt, that is total power. Reactive power, the representation of the reactive power is nothing but Q equal to VI sin pi. It is represented by the VAR. VAR nothing but voltage, current and then reactive, that is or resistance reactive. Likewise, apparent power is nothing but total power. Total power is it does not having any cosine angle, sine angle. Directly we can measure it from input and input voltage and current, that is apparent power. Apparent power is nothing but S equal to VI. So real and reactive power. If the circuit has resistive and reactive parts, the resultant power has two parts. First is dissipated in the reactive elements. This is the real power, that is P. The second is stored and returned by the reactive elements. This is the reactive power Q, which has unit of volt, ampere, reactive or VAR, voltage, current and resistance. The relationship between VI and P in resistance. This is a simple sine wave. So it has the peak value, that is P equal to 1 by T Vp. Vp is nothing but peak voltage, Ip, that is peak current, multiplication in the term of 1 minus cos 2 omega t. Likewise, we have a RMS value, that is average power value, that is RMS power, average power P equal to 1 by 2 Vp Ip. So this is a best example for power triangle. So you pay the fuel for the vertical portion of the flight as well as fuel for the horizontal portion of the flight. But non-working reactive power is direct vertical, working is active power. The power factor is the ratio of active power to total power. So power factor equal to active power divided by total power. So therefore KW equal to KVA So finally we have cosine theta. The power factor is measure of efficiency output, likewise output divided by input into 100%.